Hello, tourists. Good day, everyone. Before we go to our exciting destination and activities, let me introduce myself first. Hi, my name is Angelo G. Daano, and welcome to the province of South Cotabato. Before we drop off to our first destination, let me give you some friendly reminders. Number 1, never leave your things. Number 2, dispose your garbage properly. And number 3, observe body-to-body system. This means you need to someone to be with you at all time. Number 4, here are the things. If you wondered what it is, if I raise a blue flag, it it means that you have enough time to roam around to the destination and you can take a pictures and buy souvenir. But if I raise the red flag, this means that you have only 5 minutes to roam around and go back to our bus. If you have any questions and clarification, don't hesitate to approach me. And don't forget to enjoy the entire tour and God bless. And welcome to our first destination, the Mambucal Hot and Cold Spring. Mambucal Hot Spring Resort is located in Barangay Mambucal, Coronadal, South Cotabato. Mambucal Hot Spring Resort is a nature sanctuary where everyone can experience nature in peace and tranquility. And did you know that Mambucal Hot Spring Resort have a high sulfur content that have health benefits? And here we are to our second destination, the Surala Tribe People Monument. The Surala Tribe People Monument is a first-class municipality in the province of South Cotabato. Surala, known for a major producer of corn and rice. Surala has explored its vast potential for progress, recognized as the champion advocate of the Clean and Green program. Surala envisions the integral development of the municipality and the people. The third destination is the Tibuli Museum. The Tibuli Museum holds a part of the Tibuli culture and cannot be found elsewhere anymore, as Christianization has eroded the animistic foundation of the Tibuli culture with its numerous gods and its supreme good couple. Lucky enough, the Tibuli are proud to preserve their culture wherever they can. And here we are to our fourth destination, the Lake Cebu. Lake Cebu is one of the Philippines' most important watersheds and a major provider of irrigation to the provinces of Sultan Kudarat and South Cotabato. It is located in the ancestral domain of the Tibuli and Ubud tribes. The Department of Tourism has promoted the lake as one of the prime ecotourism destinations in Mindanao. And here we are to our last destination, the Lake Hulun. The Lake Hulun and the Ala Valley, located in the Tibuli, South Cotabato. Mount Milibingoy towers over the town with its highest peak at 1,750 meters. A dormant stratovolcano, it harbors a crater named Lake Hulun, which was formed after the eruption on January 4, 1641. Tourists, it's time to go home. Alright, that was very wonderful travel, all of you, my dear tourists, and I hope you enjoy your travel together. Once again, my name is Angelo G. Daano. Bye bye.